Exporting CNC files sounds simple. But in reality, it's the most error-prone and time-consuming stage in the entire production line. Cutting paths, drilling grooves, nesting layouts. Every small decision affects precision, quality, and production speed. That's why Woodsoft Optimizers was created. To make CNC production truly automated, precise, and efficient. From design to factory floor. Woodsoft Optimizers connects every step into one seamless workflow. It reads and processes data from multiple sources. BAZIS, SketchUp, AutoCAD, Excel, PolyBoard, and with just one click, delivers your complete, production-ready package. Preview the nesting layout. Check part placement, grain direction, and board utilization. All before the first cut begins. Your production files include checkmark optimized G-code for every part, stable, efficient, and compatible with all CNC machines. Checkmark smart Excel reports to manage panels, edges, and parts across every order. Checkmark label files for automatic labeling machines or manual workflows. Checkmark comprehensive PDF summaries for tracking, evaluation, and traceability. Checkmark and even backup DXF files, giving you total flexibility to edit or reprocess anytime. With Woodsoft Optimizers, engineers save hours of setup time, reduce errors, and keep production running smoothly. Woodsoft Optimizers, automated, precise, efficient. The secret weapon of modern furniture engineers.